Hello everyone, I'm Lucian, and in this session I will be covering automatic deployments of Oracle Database 12c on the new release of Oracle Openstack 3.0. This new version of Openstack from Oracle comes with the Murano catalog, which introduces Oracle Database 12c, and with the help of two images that you can download from the edelivery.oracle.com, the Oracle Software Delivery Cloud, you're up and running and you can automate the creation of Oracle Database 12c versions through Oracle Openstack. As I said, they are available on the eDelivery Oracle website. You would have to have at least 7.2 version for Oracle Linux and at least 12.102 for database. There are some configuration that you have to do in the background, so therefore the image with Oracle Linux will have to additionally have installed the OpenStack Murano agent. Also the pre-install for the 12c database, this RPM that help you resolve the Oracle database dependencies before an Oracle database installation. And also you have to mark the images with the glance images with some specific Murano image info option in order for the Murano catalog to identify it. Also additionally some DNS configuration, and of course have to have enough storage for Cinder volumes, and a key pair is necessary before this process. It's all very well documented on this Oracle Database 12c Murano application on the release notes of Oracle Openstack 3.0. I have previously set all these, and I'll be showing you how easy it is to do the automatic deployments. You will have to go to the Murano catalog. It's already the Oracle Database 12c in the catalog. Then you'll press create deploy. You will specify the Linux image. I have a flavor dedicated for this database image. I'm selecting the Oracle database image for this. A size would be appropriate around 50 gigs for the database volume, 20 gigs for Linux, and I have also selected the key pair, which I previously created. The swap is around 10 gigs as a minimum. Then you'll be specifying the SID, listening port. I'm using all defaults in my case, but you're free to choose whatever you consider here. Also, you'll be specifying the sys user credentials and the system user in order to log in on the virtual instance. And you press create. So that's everything you have to do from the GUI. In the background, you will be seeing some changes. I'll be pressing deploy the environment. And you'll start to see that we are in a deploying state. And it will tell you also the last operation that has been triggered, in this case creating instance for Oracle 12c database. In the background you will be seeing all these three volumes that we have previously configured, that they will be starting to appear here in the volumes tab, initially with the Oracle Linux image, then the Oracle database, and lastly the swap. Here you can see the 20 gigs, which are accordingly will be available for the Oracle Linux instance. And shortly you will be seeing the one for database and the one for the swap. Now you can see also that the database volume is being created, and the Oracle Linux one, it's already available. Now all three have been created, and now we can simply go to instances to see the new instance that has already been created to the Murano catalog and the Heat integration. We can see it's already in a running state, and I'm opening the console, and we can already see some logs that are happening. Basically shows us the steps that are automatically being done in the background in order to create the instance, install the database, and create a default database. I'll also associate a floating IP address in order to SSH the instance. From here, I will SSH the newly created instance. And as you can see, it's the same instance from the GUI. And I'll basically be checking the processes that are typically available when an Oracle database is running. For example, the pmon process ID. As you can see, it's not started, so I will be logging on as a root user. And also what we can do in the background is also checking the logs to see we can see that the EU01 directory has been created. We can go in rack OVM directory. Here we can have a look on the scripts and read the information, and also we can have a look on the logs that are being generated. For example, the build single one.log can provide us more information about the steps that have occurred in order to create the deployment, and we can also visualize the remaining ones. From here we can see some steps about files that are being copied, and let's better use less to visualize from the beginning the processes. As you can see, some users have been created, necessary groups, information about network cards. Here you can see that Oracle database installation is running. Now the Oracle database has been successfully installed. The scripts, which are mandatory at the end of the creation, have been automatically ran by the root user. And now the database files are being copied automatically. Now we can see that the Oracle instance is being started. Now we can check the pmon process, and as you can see, now it's available, so the Oracle database, it's already up and running. Let's check Oracle, and now you can see a lot of processes with the root user, with the Oracle user being running. So as you can see, my Oracle database is up and running. It has automatically been created through the Murano catalog, which is available by default on the Oracle Openstack 3.0 version. And through the help of the Heat services, the entire process has been automatically deployed, creating 3 different volumes, one for the instance itself, one hosting the database, and the third one for swap. After the creation, the instance has been started and the database creation process, and then at the end, the Oracle database has been started. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. This concludes the session.